How to process third-party warehouse orders in BigSeller. This video tells you. You can use both mobile app and laptop to process 3PL orders in BigSeller. First, you need to finish authorization, your store and third-party warehouse authorization. Pay attention, you need to enable inventory feature to use 3PL warehouse. Then you can go inventory warehouse list to add 3PL warehouse. After that, you need to create your merchant SKUs and mapping relationships. And go to merchant SKU list, choose all the merchant SKUs, click push. Finishing all these, you can process orders now. Just as other orders, you can pack and ship them in processing orders page. But when orders in process orders page, you need to check 3PL orders in this tab. BigSeller will auto-push orders to 3PL. When it fails, you can choose push orders manually. Also, you can use app to process orders. Then how about after-sales orders? You can go stock-in/return third-party page to process after-sales orders. Here you set auto-push, or you can manually push after-sales orders. It's very convenient, right? Try it now. If you have any questions, please contact us.